is for banana. C is for cherry. C cherry. C cherry. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. 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 E is for elderberry. F is for fig. 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 F is for fig. G is for grape. 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 G is for grape. H is for honeydew. 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 H is for honeydew. I is for ice apple. Ice apple. Ice apple. I is for ice apple. J is for jackfruit. 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 J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. 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 K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. 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 L is for lemon. M is for mango. 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 M is for mango. N is for nectarine. 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 N is for nectarine. O is for orange. 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 O is for orange. P is for papaya. 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 P is for papaya. Q is for quince. Quince. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry. 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 R is for raspberry. S is for strawberries. S is strawberries. S for strawberry. T is for tangerine. T is for tangerine. 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 T is for tangerine. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly. U is for ugly fruit. V is for wavenga. Wavenga. V is for wavenga. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for chicoa. Chicoa. X is for chicoa. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Yellow fruit. Yellow fruit. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Z is for zucchini. Z. Zucchini. Z. Zucchini. Z is for zucchini.